I was able to rent a room and clear my mind and get my mind, body, and soul in order. Praying gesture emoji, celebratory gesture emoji, smiley face emoji, raised fist emoji, flex bicep emoji. Great value, everything was nice. Couldn't ask for more nice staff. That's all I have to say. Convenience facilities at Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville. Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville offers an array of convenience facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. The hotel provides a laundry service, allowing guests to easily freshen up their clothes during their stay. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, staying connected is essential, and Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville understands this. With Wi-Fi available for guests who prefer to smoke, the hotel offers a designated smoking area, ensuring a smoke-free environment in the rest of the hotel. Additionally, Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville provides free Wi-Fi in all rooms, allowing guests to stay connected and browse the web from the comfort of their own room. To ensure a clean and tidy space, the hotel with these convenient facilities, Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville aims to provide a seamless and enjoyable experience for all its guests, making it an ideal choice for travelers visiting Fayetteville, North Carolina. Convenient car parking facilities at Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville. At Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville, we understand the importance of hassle-free travel, which is why we offer convenient car parking facilities for our guests. With our on-site car, whether you're traveling for business or leisure, having a car at your disposal can make all the difference. With our car parking facilities, you can easily explore Fayetteville and its surrounding areas at your own pace. Discover the rich history of the city, visit local attractions. With Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville, you can leave your worries behind and focus on enjoying your trip. Book your stay with us today and take advantage of our convenient car parking facilities. Delicious dining options at Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville. Indulge in a delightful culinary experience at Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville with its exceptional dining facilities. The hotel features an on-site restaurant that offers a delectable array of dishes to satisfy every palate. At Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville, you can enjoy the convenience of daily housekeeping services that ensure your dining experience is always clean and comfortable. The friendly and attentive staff go the extra mile to ensure that you have a memorable dining experience during your stay. Whether you are visiting for business or leisure, the dining facilities at Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville are sure to exceed your expectations and leave you craving for more. Comfortable and versatile rooms at Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville. Travelodge by Wyndham Fayetteville offers a range